Good morning, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the best company in the plastic industries. So you can see the chart of the company, long-term chart. You can see in 2008, 2009, the company was trading at 19 rupees 60 paise. And if, for example, if someone invested at this place and right now the price is around 6 to 700 rupees, that particular person become a multi-billionaires or multi-millionaires, you can say. Okay, so let's see the name of the company name is Supreme Petrochem Limited. You can read about the companies also. Let's go before into the website. This is the website of the company, Supreme Petrochem Limited, global supplier of Sternix. Yeah, you can read about. Click here for website. Yeah, Insuboard insulation system. Supreme Petrochem is emerging as a leader in the high performance insulating and building envelope solution in India. Our mission is to accelerate energy saving in residential and commercial space, contribute to net reduction in the emission and well-being of the people at its heart. You can read about the company for refreshing, cool, energy efficient environment, effective building insulation, protective system, roof, wall and floor. Yeah, almost 360 project done, 360 happy families. Okay, so lot of things the company doing for the insulation. So let's read about the more fundamental. You can read about the company here. Supreme Petrochem is engaged in the business of styrenics and manufactured polystyrene, expandable polystyrene, master batches, compound of styrenics and other polymers, extruded polystyrene, insulation board, styrenic methyl methacrylate, with the manufacturing facility in the Amadosi district, Raigad, Maharashtra, Manali, Newtown, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So total market cap of this company is 6,679. Current price is 7,010. High price is 820. Low price is 214. Stock P 10. So right now the stock P is very good. This is the genuine stock P. Okay, book value 130. Dividend yield, what a company. Dividend yield 2.11, genuine dividend. Okay, return on capital employed 17.1, very high return on capital employed, very good sign. Return on equity 54, face value 10, ultimate score 11, very good. Number equity 19.4, growth factor 8. Growth factor 8, what a company here. Growth factor 8 is the what a good sign. The company is having growth factor 8, Piotrowski 8, Piotrowski is also 8, very good. Solid check 0.9 means company is reducing their equity capital, very good sign. Reserve power is 23.6, reserve is 23.6 times of this their debt. Price power 0.15, asset power 1.47, very good sign, ultimate sign. You can see about the company, maximum chart of this company. What a company, which we have already discussed. What is the pros? So pros, company is almost debt free. Company is expected to give good quarter. Companies has delivered good growth 52.93 last 5 years. Companies has a good return on equity 28.92. Companies has been maintaining a dividend yield 46.68, very good. The company has delivered a poor sales growth 9.02 over the past 5 years, and debtor days increased from 36 to 43. What the company is doing? Supreme Petrochem doing same business by the Bhansali, Inso Installations, Savita, Manali, Panama, DCW. Now check the company's sales growth. So you can see that earlier company have 7%, 6%, 8%. Then there was a negative growth in the 2019, 2020. After September 2020, companies showing a ultimate growth here, 4%, 50%, 91 and 258. So you can see in 2018 September the sales was 763. Now the sales is 1048. What exponential growth since 2018 to 2021, last 3 years. Companies giving a ultimate result. Okay, 3 to 4 years. Operating profit, you can see operating profit was 17 crore, now it is 300 crore. Oh my god, what a company here. Ultimate growth. See, earlier operating profit was 2%, now 17, 26, 25. Awesome. Okay, other income. Earlier other income was 2 crore. Okay, other income was 2 crore. Now what the other income is 6 crore, 8 crore. Interest. Company was having 2 crore interest earlier. Okay, earlier 2 crore interest, but now still 1 crore, 2 crore. Very, very good. Interest is not going high. Very, very good sign. Profit before tax 12 crore. Now it is 300 crore, 194 crore. Ultimate, ultimate. Net profit 8 to 232. What a company here. Awesome. Exponential growth in 3 years. Now check the yearly growth in the net profit and loss statement. Company in June 2010, the sales was 1612 and now it is showing 3000, 3000 in 1000, 3185. Ultimate, ultimate sir. What exponential growth. Gajab. Every investor want to see this kind of growth. Expenses, you can see companies also. Now operating margin, see 8%. Now operating margin is 22%, 21%. Very, very good sign. Okay, other income. Earlier 4 crore, now 16 crore, 12 crore, 28. Interest. Earlier 18 crore, 20 crore interest. Now just 6 and 7 crore interest. Exponential reduction of interest. Very, very good sign. What a management. What a management. Profit 90 crore, 90 crore, now 644. Net profit also 61 crore, now 477. Awesome, awesome. Dividend payout 29%, now to 52, 59%. Sales growth 9, compounded profit 53, stock CAGR 27, return on equity 28. Awesome company, awesome. Now you can see, you will be happy. Every investor want to see this kind of equity capital. 97 crore in 2010. Okay, 97 crore in 2010. And then what happened? 97, 96 crore in 2015-16. And in March 2021, equity capital 94 crore. Awesome, ultimate, ultimate sign. Borrowing 155 crore in 2010. Now 41 crore. Very, very exponential reduction of borrowing. Asset is also improving every year. Investment. Wow, wow, wow. Company also started investment. Now investment is 470 crore. Other asset, you can see cash 107 crore, inventory 318 crore, trade receivable 383, loan 87, other asset 22. Wow, wow, wow. Company is having ultimate cash. What a cash flow. See, every year company is doing a good net cash flow, creating a positive cash flow year. Very, very good sign. Debtor days flat, inventory days flat, days payable flat. Okay, working capital also flat. Very, very. Return on capital employed 72, 18 to 72. Very, very good. Now check here. Wow, wow, wow. Promoter is increasing the stake 62.31, 63.89 and 63.96. Wow, gajab. Promoter is increasing their stake. FII slowly increasing their position. DII slowly increasing their position. Who is reducing? Public. Public don't know about the company. They are selling their stock. You can read more information. So hope this video help you to understand the fundamental analysis of Supreme Petrochem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.